When I was a teenager and in my 20s, they used to tell us, don't shave any hair on your face. It'll make it grow in thicker. It'll make it like stubble. It'll make it like a man's face. And none of that was true. I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. Well, you've probably seen some other YouTubers shaving their face on video, so I thought I'd finally do it. I've been wanting to do this video for weeks. And I just use a little face shaver that's made for women. Now, in the description box below the video, I have a few different kinds that I'm going to suggest that you check out. Now, one of them that I bought was this one called Twinkle. I bought a big box of them because they're only meant to be used a few times and then tossed, or you can give a bunch to your friends. And I also have a pack of these that's not 36. That's what this box is. And then if you'd rather go with a brand that's more well-known, like Schick, I also have a link to that as well. And then you can do the math and see how much they are per piece. Now, there are others that are a higher quality, that are much more expensive, that people swear by. And you're not just going to be taking off that little peach fuzz facial hair or the little bit of hair above here. You can also do other parts of your face, and you're basically exfoliating, or even we could call it microplaning, your skin, and you might see little bits of skin coming off of the surface as well. So this can make your skin really smooth, not only the absence of that peach fuzz, and I have a lot in this area, but also just getting your face exfoliated for two things. One is for helping your skin to absorb all of the great skincare products that you put on, your serums, your creams at night, and your daytime sunscreens, whatever else you use. You might use a face oil. And then, of course, to put on your makeup, it's so great. Now, I usually do this at night because it makes your skin a little red. And then I like to take the nighttime to let the redness go away. But today I did it during the day. So let's get right to the clip where I show you more up close how I shave my face. I have my face shaver ready. I've washed my face and put nothing on it because this is a situation unlike when you're shaving your legs and you do want to put something on to make it smoother. You're going to be exfoliating, so it's a little bit different. Now, some people go one direction, some people go the other direction. I like to do it both ways. So I have most of my peach fuzz is in here, and I like to go against the grain. So I'm going to start by flicking off some of these, and you'll notice I'm holding this at the end at a 45-degree angle. So I'm not straight, I'm not at a perpendicular, I'm at an angle with this to my face. So I use the most magnification in a mirror that I can find. Now I have some little hairs along here and along here that grow in. I don't have a nice defined hairline. So I'm a little careful about what I'm doing around there, but if you don't like what you see, you can shave some of those off. And yeah, then some of them come off. And as I get around here by the ear, I like to clean up some of that. Now, for the other parts of my face, like right around here, where when I'm doing my makeup and I'm plucking my eyebrows, I can really see some hairs around here, but I don't want to get my eyebrows, of course. So sometimes I'll go up and away from the eyebrow, and other times, if I'm really careful, I'll just do around here. Now I can see flakes of skin in front of my eye flying below my eye as I'm doing this. I don't know if the camera will catch that or not. Be great if it did. So, and I know that I've got little hairs right in here that are really light in color and really fine. And then I have some little skin things like right here, which I've been to a dermatologist about. I know what it is, and I stay away from that because if there was a time I didn't stay away from it and it did bleed. So I'm careful about that. I also like to go in between here. Now here, I really don't have that kind of peach fuzz, but again, if I just want to do some exfoliating microplaning, that's when I'm going in a downward motion to get some of that stuff, okay? And you can use a tissue to clean it off in between. It's up to you. I stay away from right under my eye. I don't do this section here. And then, of course, I really want to do this section. I do electrolysis for certain little hairs in here. I did another video some time ago going to the person that I go to for electrolysis. So years ago, I went in my late 20s, early 30s, got rid of all of these chin things that were showing up at that time of my life. And then they didn't come back until menopause time. So there they were. So we're still working on those, but in between, I'll either trim them with scissors because they grow really fast, or I'll just shave them off. And when a number of them have grown, then I'll go back to the electrolysis person and she'll electrolysis. Oh, she's not an electrician. You know what I mean. But yeah, so under here at the lip and right by my nose, oh my gosh. And those aren't light in color. I don't know if it's my Swedish side or my Greek side, but yeah, we get some hairs there. So at first I was just doing this part of my face, just the upper lip and maybe a little bit on the chin. And then I'm like, all right, I see all of these hairs here, and let me just get all of those. Okay. If you want, you can do your nose. You know, it's up to you. I normally don't do it. That's the first time I did it. So now I'm going to switch sides so you can see me do. This is my right side. This headband from Body Shop, I don't know. I think it's aging me. All right, then I'm going to go up here. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff coming up here. I've been wanting to do this on video for weeks, and usually I do this every 2 weeks. Some people do it weekly. I'll do up here. Watch, this is where I have, you know, the gray hair that's so much harder to color when it's sparse. Okay. I'm going to do around here like I did the other side. And if you want, you can pull your skin taut, or, you know, up or back. And you will have just this really smooth skin. You can do under here if you want. Oops, I need to be in camera. A little harder to see. I've had a little irritation under here from time to time, and sometimes I just avoid shaving that area. But you will notice your skincare products and your makeup going on just more smoothly. So I challenge you to give this a try. And I think that's all I'm going to do here. Normally I would do this at night, but I am doing this during the day before putting on the rest of my skincare and my makeup. But I like to do it at night when my face is clean, then put on my nighttime products and then sleep on it, just in case I had any redness, which I do right now. I mean, it'll go away, but I'd rather have it go away while I'm sleeping. So let's get to the next clip where I have my makeup on. I'm 61 now, so I think this is a good thing to do even as we age to get the skin really exfoliated. Now, of course, you have to wear a sunscreen every day, 365 days a year, no matter if it's winter where you're living, rain or shine. I wear a sunscreen every day in the daytime. Now, I think my skin is kind of glowing today. I don't know if you can see that. And the only foundation I'm wearing today is a BB cream. Of all the products that I'm wearing today, listed in the description box. If you don't know how to open the description box, and a lot of people don't, I understand that, it's a little tricky on a phone. So if you're on a phone or other mobile device, you go below the video and on the right side there's a little V. Tap the little V to open up the description box and you can scroll through and find all my links. If you're watching on a computer, go below the video and on the left side you'll see the word show more. Click those words, show more, and it opens up the description box and all the links are there for you too. Now, it is a warm day, but even with this BB cream on and then powder on top, which I always put a little extra powder on when I'm going to do a video, because with the normal amount of powder I wear every day, at a video, it still makes me look kind of shiny, especially on the nose and chin. So hopefully I did a good job. Yeah, I always do my upper lip. That's bugging me these days. I kind of don't, well, I don't look forward to being an older person who has a hard time with hair growing out of everywhere. It's just, yeah, I go to electrolysis to get one plucked or electrocuted. I don't know what it's called, out of my ear. Out of this part of my ear, I have a hair that grows and it hasn't died off yet from the electrolysis, so I'm looking forward to that. But otherwise, I could shave that off as well. But for now, just doing my face and getting it really clean and fresh is just a great thing to do. And these things, they don't cost very much either. So check it out in the description box and then check out one of my other videos by tapping its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.